Well, hello there, everybody. It is I, your very own Amaru, and I'd like to welcome you to a new episode of Food and the Single Guy. Now, boo-boo, call your mammy, call your pappy, hide your wives, hide your kids. Amaru's about to bake some cookies. And we all know how much I love to bake. Not to mention the fact that I'm very good at it. Yes, so here goes something. Okay, you guys, so here are some of the ingredients and the utensils that we will be needing for these delicious cookies. Of course, we have our measuring spoons, the baking soda, the vanilla sugar, the salt. We're going to use an egg. Over here, I have my cranberries. Over here, I have my flour. The granulated sugar over yonder. Over there, we have the brown sugar. Yes. Over here, we have the white chocolate chips and some white chocolate, the mixing bowl, the scale, and of course, the measuring cups. So let me go ahead and put everything together so I can show you how to proceed. Okay, you guys, so to the mixing bowl, I'm going to add about a half a cup of melted butter. Here we go. We're also going to add about 150 grams of brown sugar. Just like so. We're also going to add about 100 grams of granulated sugar. Right? I'm also going to add my vanilla sugar. And now we're going to mix all of these ingredients. So next I'm going to add the egg. Here we go. We're also going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright. And of course, we're going to mix all of this again. Oh. And as you can see, the egg has thickened the batter significantly. So next we're going to add the baking soda. And this is about a teaspoon of the baking soda. We're also going to add about a teaspoon of salt. So next we're going to sift the flour into the batter. And next we're going to give this a good mix. Alright? So mixing everything together will generate this consistency. And now we are going to add the cranberries and the white chocolate chips. And we're going to be generous with both the chocolate chips as well as the cranberries. So next we are going to mix again. So next what we're going to do, we are going to place this bowl of batter in the fridge and we're going to allow it to refrigerate for about a half an hour. Okay, beautiful people, so it's been about a half an hour and this is what our cookie dough looks like. I tasted it, it was delicious. Okay, so next what we're going to do, we're going to take our ice cream spoon and we're simply going to scoop some of that batter into the spoon. We're going to shape it into a nice little bowl, just like so. And then we're going to plops it onto that parchment paper, just like so. All right, we're going to do another one, right? Just like so. We're simply going to shape it a little bit. You don't want to make them too large, all right? This will do just fine, I think. We're going to shape them nicely, right? And then we're going to plops them onto the baking tray. Okay, let me go ahead and finish doing this. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm talking about. And as you can see, I have left plenty of space in between the balls of dough, because when the cookies rise, you don't want them to stick together. Okay, so now we're gonna pop these into the oven. We're gonna bake them for about 10 minutes at about 150 degrees C. Okay, you guys, so this is what the cookies look like when they come fresh out of the oven. Don't they look gorgeous? Oh, but they do. And they are also a little soft to the touch still. And that's the way it should be. So we're gonna allow them to cool completely. And then I'm gonna, you know, give you the, dazzle you with the final presentation. And speaking of the final presentation, get a load of my cookies. Don't they look gorgeous? Don't they look delicious? Boo-boo, let me tell you, I was shook it. I was shook it with the TH. Yes, I was shook it, because let me tell you something. I don't know how to bake, okay? I don't have a baking thumb. I don't. I will cook you under the table. I will not bake you under the table. I could read a recipe for something to bake from A to Z and I will still fail. The things that I've baked on video are the things that I've managed to, you know, master somewhat throughout the years, but I am not a baker. So these cookies, for them to come out this way, I am patting myself on the back, boo-boo. Oh yes, and I still have plenty of them in the cupboards. I'm gonna have one tomorrow with my tea. Yes, because I'm British now. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I'm gonna thank you for watching yet another episode of my Food and the Single Guy here on the YT. Your support does not go unnoticed. I truly appreciate all the support that you've shown me on this channel, you know, with my music, with my acting, with everything that I do artistically. Thank you so very much for your support. I'm gonna wish you a great day, and I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.